Planning a move in San Mateo and wondering how much movers actually cost? You're not alone. Moving prices can feel confusing because the final number depends on your home size, distance, timing, access, packing needs, and how much help you want from the moving crew. In this video, we'll break down what affects moving costs in San Mateo, what price ranges to expect, and how to get a more accurate quote before moving day. San Mateo moving costs can vary depending on whether you're moving locally, across California, or out of state. According to 3 movers, local San Mateo moves for a 2-bedroom apartment may typically fall around $400 to $900, while long-distance rates may start around 75 cents per mile. The page also notes that some local moving crews may charge around $100 to $150 per hour for 2 movers and a truck, depending on the situation. So if you're trying to budget for a move, the first question is simple. Are you moving across town, across the Bay Area, or across the country? The size of your home is one of the biggest cost factors. A small apartment usually takes less time, fewer movers, and a smaller truck. A larger home with multiple bedrooms, heavy furniture, garage items, and outdoor equipment will take longer to pack, load, transport, and unload. More items usually means more labor hours, and more labor hours usually means a higher moving cost. Distance also matters. A short local move within San Mateo may be priced hourly, but if you're moving from San Mateo to another city in California or to another state, the quote may be based on mileage, weight, shipment size, fuel, and delivery window. 3 Movers explains that long-distance moves from San Mateo may have average transit times of about 3 to 7 days, while local moves are often completed the same day. Packing services can make a move much easier, but they can also increase the price. If you want movers to pack your kitchen, wrap fragile items, disassemble furniture, handle artwork, or move specialty items like a piano or heavy appliance, expect that to affect the final quote. That doesn't mean you should avoid extra services. It just means you should know what's included before booking. San Mateo moves can also be affected by access. Apartment buildings, condos, narrow streets, stairs, elevators, loading docks, and long walking distances from the truck to the door can all add time. And with hourly moving rates, time matters. If your building requires elevator reservations or parking permits, handle those details early so the crew can work efficiently. Your moving date can also influence price. Weekends, end-of-month dates, summer moves, and peak moving seasons are often busier. If your schedule is flexible, asking about weekday or off-peak availability may help you find better options. The best way to avoid surprises is to get a personalized quote based on your home, inventory, moving date, distance, and service needs. If you're planning a move in San Mateo, visit 3 Movers to compare options and request a moving estimate.